Tired of using the same color pen over and over again? Tired of writing with the same color for years and being that typical ordinary person with an ordinary pen? We understand your problem. In fact, it's a universal problem of having trouble finding the right colors. Well, we can help you out find the right colors at the right time. Say what? How? Well, let me explain. We have created an eco-friendly color sensing pen. You ask what that is? Basically, a color sensing pen is a pen that has a sensor on top of it and senses whatever it is pointed towards. That's a good idea, but that must be expensive. Well, not really. An ordinary one ink pen ranges anywhere from $1 to $3. And let's say you buy a whole pack of 10. That's going to cost you around $15. Don't be a senseless creature and carry on different colored pens when you can only do it with one. Our color sensing pen is just for $12.99 with the complimentary ink refill in every supermarket store. With PS Pens, you will always find a different color to write with at different places at different times. So why settle for less when you know you'll get the best? Let us help you select the right color at the right time.
Created using Powtoon.